everyone, Jennifer here. I'm starting a new series on my channel, and it's going to be once a month where you are going to rebound with me. You know that I love to rebound for exercise. It's my favorite form of exercise, something I can do at home whenever I want to. I often do it at the end of the day to de-stress, and I just love it. So yeah, I just had my fourth baby, this little guy, back in September, and so I'm ready to get back into shape. So this is just a fun little series for those of you who have a rebounder. You can go ahead and jump along with me. Now I do have to say, as we start off, that I am not a personal trainer, so please get the advice of your physician or trainer before you embark on rebounding. This is just for entertainment purposes only. But I do hope that you'll join me. I'll leave the rebounder that I use linked below. It's my absolute favorite, and I'll put more information about it below. But I hope that you enjoy this series. For those of you who are wondering what I'm wearing, I am wearing official Daily Connoisseur merchandise, and that's available in the Teespring store below. All right, let's get ready, go get your rebounder, and let's jump together.